Hello, good people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're watching this. I am Angela Ileguma, broadcasting live from PFM Global TV. Today's topic is going to be the 54 construction equipment which is to be issued by our Honorable Governor Monday Okpebolo to the 18 local government areas in Edo State. He said this move is aimed at empowering the local communities and boosting grassroots infrastructure. Now, the video following this is going to be showing you equipment which is to be commissioned across the states tomorrow, the 19th of February 2026, courtesy of John Mayaki.
Have you seen the payloaders Senator Modi Okubula acquired? Just imagine these payloaders. So what we have here is 20 payloaders. We have 20 tipping trucks and we have 12 graders. Just for the construction of roads, drainages, maintenance of infrastructure in this state. Senator Modi Okobolo, this is quite mind. This is I can't just fathom. It's serious work everywhere. Federal roads, interlands, streets, state roads, everywhere there's work. Construction. Look at tipping truck. Look at brand new tipping trucks. Look at them. How many of them? How many tipping trucks?
Having watched the video, you can see that our Honorable Governor Monday Okpebolo is determined to bring development to the state, and he's keeping to his promise of his Shine agenda to change the welfare and well-being of Edo people. And Edo people are saying thank you, that we really appreciate all your efforts in boosting infrastructural, education, and health sectors in the states. Keep watching PFM Global TV. I am Angela Ileguma. Thank you.